Shout Factory TV, changing the channel.
Julie saw him, you know.
Who?
Michael Myers.
Come on.
I swear, yesterday when she was coming to work.
Where did she see him?
You know the shopping bag out by the mall? Well, she stopped at a light and saw him walking in that field behind the Lost River Drive-In. Julie said he was so creepy.
Julie's full of sugar.
He didn't escape until last night. Damn.
Well, you don't have to swear, bud.
Well, she's a damn moron anyway.
Every other word you say is either hell or damn.
Sorry.
I guess I just foul up all the time.
Yeah.
Hi.
You're late.
Yeah, I know. I've got to get on the ward. Hi, Jimmy.
Oh, hi, Karen.
See you later.
Right.
Amazing grace, come show me your face. Don't make me cry, I tell no lie.
Look, why don't you just shut up, all right?